So, how do you get a complete set of the LEGO Muppets minifigures by opening the fewest number of packs possible? The key is to buy a whole bunch of boxes of 6, with a return policy of course, and then weigh all the boxes on a kitchen scale. According to my experiment using 12 blind boxes, there are 6 possible unique weights to the boxes, ranging from 115 grams to 122 grams, and there are no duplicates within each box. So, right off the bat, there are 2 possible combinations of box weights that will guarantee you a full set with just 2 boxes. If you have one box weighing 115 grams to 116 grams, and one box weighing 121 grams to 122 grams, you will have a complete set of all 12 figures. Alternatively, one box of 117 grams and one of 119 grams will also get you a complete set. Now, here is the complete weight guide. Remember that there are 12 possible characters. First of all, a box weighing 115 or 116 grams will get you Beaker, Gonzo, Fozzie, Waldorf, the Swedish Chef, and Janice. A box weighing 117 grams gets you Rowlf, Beaker, Gonzo, Waldorf, the Swedish Chef, and Janice. A box weighing 119 grams gets you Bunsen, Kermit, Piggy, Fozzie, Animal, and Statler. A box weighing 120 grams gets you Rowlf, Bunsen, Kermit, Piggy, Animal, and Statler. A box weighing 121 to 122 grams gets you Rowlf, Bunsen, Kermit, Piggy, Animal, and Statler. And these are all the combinations I have found. Now there's one more combination I got that I believe is a factory error. This one included 2 Bunsen figures, which I believe is a mistake because they're not supposed to be a duplicate figure within the box of 6. I believe it should have come with Miss Piggy instead, meaning it should have been 119 grams instead. So be aware that even though there should be no duplicates within boxes, factory errors can still happen. And with that, finding a complete set of the Muppets minifigures should be much easier, provided you have a precise enough kitchen scale. Thanks for watching, and see you next time at Always Brilliant Puppets.